So Petro gets the first point of the match. The ageless Chisayet is there, serving. Pineda. And that is inside.
Coming off the errors of Akari.
Oo nga, no? Hindi man lang offensive attacks talaga eh. Eto,
Ayan daw.
malinaw. Soltones, sabi niya, gusto mo na attack? Eto. 2-1 ang ating bilang. Myla reaches, goes to Pontillas. That's clearly scored upon.
Akari, they need to keep up right away kasi it doesn't matter kung alam mo yun, yung game mo last time tapos
Wala
na
yun, oo.
And knockout ngayon eh. It can...
Ellie Soyud. Alam mo, nagbubuhat na rin to si Ellie. Naabutan ko si Ellie. Ang payat niya no? Pero ito, muscle na ito. In the meantime, it's touched ball. Alam mo, kailangan itong Akari stay close to Petro. Just stay close. And they are staying close as Laksina delivers an ace. Context. The winner of this match will face Signal. And that will be on Thursday right away. The other teams, of course, just waiting for opponents. Hindi na siya na halos nakakalaro eh. Doon lang siya, papasok siya paminsan-minsan para mag-serve. Bonafé, set-up job. Soltones, appreciating her work, brings her team within 2.
Lalo na you have a defense pattern na naka-atras ka para dumipensa.
Pineda receiving. Down the middle to Soltones. Soyud kicks it over. The attack. Soyud. Ang daming cross na ina-attempt itong Petro. Oh! Cleanly hit.
But you can see now she is still well suited up because she wants to be someone to rely on if the Angels are challenged toughly inside the court. Gusto niya pakita ang kanyang presensya para sa mga rookies. Let's head on over back to the game. 7 Mela.
Nagkaroon din ng transition itong Petro. Kanilang Japanese coach departed, of course. We all know the story about that one. In the meantime, Akari keeps very busy and close.
And I think one thing she's developed talaga ay yung timing at basa sa kanyang mga attackers.
That is true. Pablo shoots. And she gets it to go into that empty corner.
Sharma said Domingo just recovered lately. Kaya itong si Villena ang kanilang ginagamit.
Good set for Chamson. It's kept in the air. Musa is there. Soyud twisting around. Soltones punches that through and we are tied at 14. Alam mo, pagka masipag ka dumating sa practice, hindi problema. Kahit sino-sino pa yung spiker mo. Soltones bouncing on the regalo and they have the lead at 15-14. The last 3 points have been scored by Akari. And finally, there's an answer.
Being caught up by Akari in this match, so sometimes it only takes that one spark plug, just like how Nicole Tiamson played against Chocomucho.
Nicely done, Madrigal. Pero kung minsan, pag may injury, may mahirap din mag-therapy.
Yes, it takes
Oh!
a lot of time. But for people like Edsel Soltones who dealt with injuries earlier, every time she's healthy, Akari performs so good.
That's such a good point. And she can bring this team to some places they've never been, actually. That will work. And look at this. This is a hot run. Nagmamadali siya. Magsasakay daw siya ng joyride or something kasi may game yung kanyang litran. Okay. In the meantime, uy, hindi tinawagan. Pwede yun. Borderline yun. Yung kay Soyud. Atake! Oh, may halong swerte rin ito, Akari.
You know, get that usual pace out from the Angels.
Mula nung 14-13, 7-1 run na ang Akari until that moment.
Hopefully, for Petrogas, sila naman na magbabalak gumawa ng run.
Domingo gets it to bite, and that slide running play. Both liberos are hard at work for Akari. Chamson serving. Bonafé, Soyud. Daming butas defensively ng Petro. And Ellie and certain teams should just wait for her time, wait for her chances.
Ooh!
Oh!
Yeah, for Bea Bonifay, it's a very big adjustment dahil as much as she's been playing for years, iba yung bigla ka magiging starter na wala kang choice kung from a legendary setter herself, Tina Sala.
That is so well said, partner. In the meantime, Sayed. Oh, I think that's outside. And look at this. Look at this. Akari is at set point.
Now, they can't seem to get to set point.
Change of hands in the air. Pablo whips it against the block. Bonifay, Soyud, her version. Kept in play by Tempatura. And biglang umiinit itong Petro sa dulo. They have scored their last 3 points. Now has scored 5 points in this opening set. Laksina brings them finally to set point.
Sa mga timeouts niya, play talaga, specific plays ang kanyang...
May call siya agad.
Oo.
One up. May tawag eh. Why not? Diba? Sakto. Second set point.
And Ivy acknowledged and confirmed, and it was so fitting that she was the one who scored that point.
Champson fires away. The dump. There's a hand of Pontillas. Champson will just heave it over. Chance to attack. Hindi naka-atake. It's still alive, but it's out. Madrigal had, I think, chances. The winner there will go on to face PLDT. Sharp. Good set from Bang. And that's hit out. Here we go again. Tied again. Nakaapat na set point nito mga Akari, no? Champson. Ganda ng kuha ni Danny Ravenna. And we are tied again. Laksina accepting. Soyud trying to be creative. Chisayat. Myla. Laksina gets to it. Ooh. And look at how life is so interesting. Lalim. Soltones shoots, and it's a big pickup by Tempiatura downstairs. This is problematic, but they get to it. They will heave it over. Ganyan pag magre-return ka mataas para may chance ka mag-recover. Soyud! Soyud!
Grabe, I haven't seen Eli Soyud as alert.
Pagka-toss niya, walang tao sa bahay nang kumatok siya. In the meantime, Chisay reverses. Soyud keeps... Oh! Second set point opportunity. Laksina. Uh-oh. Nearly laps there. Down the middle we go with Domingo. Up in the air. Kept alive. They toss it to the back row. Chance to attack. Soyud reaches for it. The crowd beginning to get into this. And that is cleanly hit. We are tied at 29. Let's see yung makascore ng 30. But that's on the play in volleyball. Here we go. Pablo. Laksina. Oh! Madrigal! Kasi pagka naglalaro ka, pwede kang tumakbo. Pwede
Parang
kang...
maka-carjack na si Camille.
Oh! That's inside, and we're gonna take a while here. May ana ha. 30 all. Laksina. Oh, neatly done.
That was a great set by Bea Bonifay. Wala, kaya yan ang teammates mo. So, this is what happens when she focuses on her game. Always ready to go for those kills.
Can they get this now after 6 set point opportunities? Good hand by Ravenna. Laksina. And look at this. Sakari finally ends that part of the set. At least sa inyo, matagal bago ko nasabi.